Fast batching mimosas this weekend? Just kidding. How cute is this PR box? It now has put Noah Khan orange juice stuck in my head. Look at the details on that. I tried to turn this. It doesn't actually turn. Orange juice in the kitchen. Part comes out. We have 3 of their brand new Juicy Orange sparkling energy drinks. I am about to go work out, so this is kind of perfect. I'm gonna try it now. Cheers. Ooh, by far my favorite flavor that they have. So good. Reminds me of an orange pop. Pop off. What adorable. 2 straws. And they have a little orange and a lemon. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with those. And then they sent over 3 more of the Juicy Orange. Thank you for stocking me up.